When walking down the street, a bold prism comes into view, a house that rises above the urban terrain, projecting itself toward the ocean and breaking away from the surrounding pattern of homes. This sloping site, just a few blocks from the Pacific, is surrounded by white stucco houses and remnants of mid-century modern lines. Within this dense context, Manhattan Beach Residence by Olson Kundig embraces its singularity with terraced volumes that unfold along the hillside. Black steel panels mark the visual boundary between street and interior, while strategic openings in the volumes allow light to filter deep into the spaces. The main entry is approached through a pedestrian path that flanks the home's intermediate level. A sequence of staggered entrances follows the topography, guiding visitors inward. Lush vegetation softens the transition from public to private. At the top level, a wide-open space integrates living, kitchen, and dining. Large sliding panels open onto an exterior terrace, revealing horizontal views toward the ocean. The kitchen emphasizes its industrial character in a monochromatic black palette, with exposed steel beams and structural block walls. The geometry and materials are honest. Black, steel, glass, and concrete intertwine in a dialogue between the urban fabric and the sea. Light wood warms the interiors through flooring and wall panels, while beige fabrics soften the contrasts. A kinetic three-panel glazed wall and telescoping doors open fully to a central courtyard. On the opposite side of this courtyard, a double-height library incorporates towering sliding doors, visually linking the far ends of the home. A staircase of wood and steel with open risers connects the levels, reveals the garage with beach access, and provides storage for surfboards, while filtering daylight to the upper floors. On the west side, the primary suite seems to float. Raised about 8 feet above the sidewalk, it captures framed glimpses of the nearby beach. Amid urban challenges, dense neighbors, and a narrow site, a private garden was achieved within an internal courtyard, while maintaining visual transparency and connection with both the community and the horizon. This interplay of opposites defines the creative tension of the house. As the day unfolds, the architecture transforms. Soft light in the morning, sharp shadows at midday, and warm tones at sunset. The transitions between inside and outside, land and sky, neighborhood and ocean, create a visual narrative that invites a slower gaze and a deliberate pace. Manhattan Beach Residence reveals itself not only as a bold volume, but also as a careful gesture, a construction that articulates modernity, privacy, and connection, anchored in the urban ground, yet open to the horizon of the Pacific.